Anybody have any questions? Yes, no, maybe no, maybe so. Okay, now or forever hold your tongue. Yeah. Get open. Then it comes to you. Fully and open. Okay?
Can you do it once facing
And
us?
then win.
Can you do it once like facing us?
Here.
Ah.
Then
Okay.
to you, fully open. So you're going to open here. Then you're going to come like you're going to touch the center of your chest. You're going to turn your hands over and extend them to me. Okay? And then the wind. And the wind. And the wind. Make sure that arm stays diagonal. Don't open it this way. Okay? All right. Next part, and then he'll tell you what this first verse is about, okay? So we went win, and we went win. We're going to back it, bring your hands to your chest and break. So this is going to be step together, step, hold. Step together, step, hold. And you're going to cry. Cry, two, come down. Cry, two, three, four. To your chin. Cry, two, three, okay? So we went step together, step, hold, cry, two, three, four. Those are cajolos too. Let's try it. 5, 6, here we go. Step together, step, hold, cry, 2, 3, 4. Again. Step together, step, hold, cry, 2, 1 more time. Step together, step, hold, cry, 2, 3, 4. Add it on. Here we go. 10. Hold your 2, 3, 4. Do you we win? The wind and wind and back and break. Cry, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You ready? We'll wait for the drum roll. The right hand is going to go above your head, above all the way around and come front.